All right, let's just jump right into it. If you're a busy real estate agent, you know the grind. I mean, you're constantly juggling showings, all that paperwork, client calls, and on top of that, you're supposed to be generating new business. It's a massive balancing act. But what if all those valuable leads that just get lost in the shuffle could be captured automatically? That's what we're going to talk about, how AI is literally changing the entire game. So let me ask you something. Think about that last lead who called you right when you're in the middle of a closing. Or what about that website inquiry that came in at 10 o'clock at night? How long did it really take to get back to them? You know, in real estate, speed is everything, and every single missed call or slow reply is a potential commission just walking right out the door. I mean, this slide just lays it all out, doesn't it? The difference is night and day. Over on the left, that's the old way. The constant stress, right? Missed calls, trying to remember who you need to follow up with, and leads just vanishing after hours. But on the right, that's the new way. With an AI assistant, every single call gets captured. The follow-up is instant. In your business, it's open for business 24/7. It's a complete shift from chaos to total control. So what exactly is the solution we're talking about? Well, it's kind of like having your very own dedicated assistant who is on the clock 24/7. Someone or something that works tirelessly for your business, even when you physically can't. Seriously, just think of it as the perfect employee. It's a completely automated system that handles all that frontline communication for you. Answering calls, texts, website chats, you name it. But here's the kicker. It doesn't just answer. It actively qualifies your leads. It books showings directly into your calendar, and it follows up instantly. Every single time. Okay, that all sounds great in theory, but what does it actually look like in practice? Let's see this thing in action. We're going to walk through the exact journey a brand new lead takes with an AI assistant, from the very first text message all the way to a booked appointment popping up on your calendar. It really breaks down into 5 simple but super powerful stages. First, it responds instantly. Then it qualifies the lead. Then it books the showing. It follows up consistently, and it even re-engages your old, cold leads. Let's break down each one. All right, step 1, and this one is absolutely crucial. Speed. The second a new lead reaches out, whether it's from a yard sign, Zillow, your website, wherever, the AI engages. And we're not talking about hours or even minutes later, we're talking seconds. Day or night, weekday or weekend, it doesn't matter. And check this out. This is not your standard, boring, we'll get back to you, auto reply. No way. It's helpful, it's intelligent, and it immediately provides value. See how it even starts the qualifying process right away, just like you would? It's already gathering critical info in that very first text. And it doesn't just send one text and call it a day. After that first message, the AI keeps the conversation going. Its job is to figure out if this person is a serious prospect who's actually ready to make a move. This step alone is going to save you an incredible amount of time chasing dead ends. And just look at the questions it asks. These are the exact things you need to know to do your job. It's finding out about pre-approval status, their time frame, all the key data points. So by the time a lead gets to you, they're not just some random name and number. They're a qualified prospect. Okay, so once a lead is qualified and they're ready to see a place, the AI does something huge. It actually gets them on your calendar. It syncs directly with your schedule, finds an open slot, and books the showing. This just eliminates all of that frustrating back and forth trying to find a time that works. And boom, just like that, the appointment is booked. The AI confirms everything and shoots a calendar invite over to both you and the client. You could literally be in a meeting and your schedule is filling up with qualified appointments in the background completely hands-off. But wait, it doesn't stop there, because we all know the money's in the follow-up, right? This system automates that entire process using both text messages and a voice agent that sounds surprisingly natural. So what you're seeing here is basically a safety net, an airtight system. You miss a call? That person gets an immediate text. You've got a showing coming up? They get a smart reminder, which cuts way down on no-shows. And if someone just prefers to call you, the AI can handle that inbound call with a real natural-sounding voice. Now, this next part is where you can find some serious hidden gold. I want you to think about your CRM for a second. What about all those old leads just sitting there? The ones who inquired 6 months ago and then just went silent. Well, the AI can systematically reach out and breathe new life into that cold pipeline. Can you just imagine this simple, personalized text going out automatically to hundreds or even thousands of those old contacts? It's so simple, it's not pushy, but it can re-engage someone at the exact moment they're starting to think about real estate again. You're literally winning back business that you probably thought was gone for good. So we've walked through the how, but what about the proof? Does this stuff actually work? Let's talk results and look at the tangible shift from the chaos of doing it all yourself to the power of automated conversion. I love this example. This isn't theory. This is a real-world agency, Coastal Realty Group. They implemented an AI agent and saw their lead conversion rate double in just 3 months. That is the direct impact of having instant 24/7 engagement and automated scheduling.
And this number right here, 3 to 5 times, it really speaks for itself. Businesses using this kind of automation are seeing a 3 to 5-fold increase in the sheer number of leads they capture. And you know why? It's simple. Because nothing ever gets missed. Every single opportunity is grabbed and nurtured.
And check out this chart. Visually, this tells the whole story. Before AI, you're looking at, an 18% booking rate? Which isn't bad, but with AI, that number jumps all the way to 47%. That is a massive leap that turns more of your conversations into actual, real appointments on your calendar. So let's bring this all home. What's the bottom line here? It means you can finally stop being reactive and start being proactive. It's about capturing more listings, more buyers, and ultimately, closing more deals. I want you to just picture this for a second. This is your new reality. A business where you never miss another lead, where showings are being booked for you while you're asleep, where your entire pipeline is being nurtured around the clock, freeing you up to do what you're best at, building relationships and closing deals. So here's the final takeaway. This technology isn't just about saving time. It's about fundamentally growing your business by giving every single lead the 5-star immediate attention they need to convert. The only question left is, are you ready to see how AI can capture more listings for you?